Consider one example on operation on signals. A triangular pulse signal x of t is shown below. Sketch x of 3t, x of 3t plus 2, x of minus 2t minus 1, x of 2t plus 2, x of 2t minus 2, x of 3t plus x of 3t plus 2. So this is given x of t. Will perform x of 3t. X of 3t, it means that here we supposed to perform scaling operation, that is time scaling operation. Here the scaling factor is 3, which is greater than 0. If scaling factor value is greater than 0, we will get the compressed version of x of t. That is x of t is compressed by factor 3. I'll draw x of 3t here. Let this be t. This is 0. Say this is 1 by 3. Say this is 1. Let this be minus 1 by 3 and this is minus 1. So now we supposed to divide each time period value by 3, that is 1 divided by 3, that is 1 by 3. So this point will appear here. Similarly 0 will be at 0 only. Minus 1 divided by 3, that is minus 1 by 3, and the amplitude of the signal is 1. So amplitude will be same, that is 1. So this is x of 3t, that is compressed version of x of t. X of 3t plus 2. To get x of 3t plus 2, we supposed to perform two operations. One is scaling operation, another one is shifting operation. According to precedence rule, we supposed to shift the signal first, then we have to perform scaling operation. So first we'll perform x of t plus 2, that is shifting operation. So x of t plus 2 can be represented as x of t minus of minus 2. X of t plus 2 is obtained by shifting x of t towards left by 2 units, because here t naught value is less than 0. Therefore x of t will be shifted towards left. I'll draw the waveform here. So plus 1 minus 2, it gives minus 1. So this point will appear at this point, and 0 minus 2, 0th, this point will appear at minus 2, and minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, that will appear here. So now x of t, so this is x of t plus 2. This will be x of 3t plus 2. That is, now this signal is scaled by factor 3. That is, we have to divide each time period by 3. So this point will appear at minus 1 by 3. This will appear at minus 2 by 3. And this will appear at minus 3 by 3, that is minus 1. So let it be 0. So let this point be minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, and let this be minus 1. This is 1. So this is x of 3t plus 2. So now we'll perform the third operation, that is, so here we supposed to perform three operation. One is t minus 1, that is shifting operation. First we supposed to perform shifting operation. Then we supposed to perform the scaling operation, that is x of 2t minus 1, that is scaling operation. then we supposed to perform x of minus 2t, that is nothing but reflection or time folding operation. So let's perform the shifting operation first, that is x of t minus 1. So x of t minus 1 is same as x of t shifted by 1 unit towards right. I'll draw the waveform here. So this minus 1 point will appear at 0, 0th point will shifted to plus 1, and plus 1 point will be shifted to plus 2. So the signal appears in between 0 and 2. This is x of t minus 1. Next we supposed to perform x of 2t minus 1, that is scaling this waveform by factor 2. Therefore now we'll get compressed version of this signal, compressed by factor 2. It looks like this. So 0 point will be here, 1 divided by 2, this will be 0.5, and 2 divided by 2 is 1, that is this one. So this is x of 2t minus 1. The amplitude is same. Now the next operation, now we supposed to perform x of minus 2t minus 1. So this is scaling operation. Now we'll perform reflection. This point will appear at minus 1, 0.5 will appear at minus 0.5, that is this is minus 0.5, and here we have minus 1. So this will be x of minus 2t minus 1. Now we'll sketch the fourth operation, that is x of 2t plus 2. So here this can be represented as x of 2t plus 2 into 2, that is 4. So in this we supposed to perform two operations. One is shifting operation, that is x of t plus 4. Then we supposed to perform scaling operation, that is x of 2t plus 4. So first we'll sketch shifting operation, that is x of t plus 4. So this can be represented as x of t minus of minus 2. So x of t minus of minus 2 is obtained by shifting x of t towards left by 2 unit. I'll draw the waveform here. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, say minus 5. Now we'll add plus 1 with minus 2. So this point will be shifted to minus 1, that is this point. 0 minus 2, that is 0 will shifted here, and minus 1 point, that is minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. So same x of t appears between minus 3 to minus 1. So this is x of t plus 4. Now we supposed to perform scaling operation on this signal. So x of 2t plus 4 is obtained by compressing this signal by scaling factor, that is 2. So now the scaling operation, that is x of 2t plus 4, scaling factor is here is 2. So each time period value is divided by 2, that is minus 1. This point will appear at minus 1 by 2. minus 2 divided by minus 2 is minus 1, and this is minus 3 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2. So this is x of 2t plus 4 signal. So this can be represented as x of 2t minus 4. So here again we supposed to perform two operations. One is shifting, that is x of t minus 4. Then we supposed to perform scaling operation. First we will perform shifting operation. So x of t minus 4 is same as x of t shifting towards right by 4 unit. So I'll draw x of t minus 4 waveform here. Zero will appear at 4. This minus 1 will appear at 3, and plus 1 will appear at 5. So the signal will look like this. This is amplitude, that is 1. So this is x of t minus 4. So now we'll perform scaling operation, that is x of 2t minus 4. So x of 2t minus 4 is obtained by x of t minus 4 by compressing this signal by 2 unit. That is each time point is divided by 2. So this point will be 0.5, this will be 1, this will be 1.5, this will be 2, and this will be 2.5. Now x of t appears between 1.5 and 2.5, that is compressed version of x of t. Say this is 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. So this signal will appear between 3 by 2, that is 1.5, 5 by 2, that is 2.5, 4 by 2, that is 2. So this is this signal. So this is x of 2t minus 4 waveform. Now we'll perform the sixth operation, that is x of 3t plus x of 3t plus 2. So here x of 3t is scaling operation. X of 3t is obtained by compressing x of t by scaling factor 3. So x of t will compressed by, that is minus 1 by 3, and this is 1 by 3. Now we'll try to draw x of 3t plus 2. So to obtain x of 3t plus 2, first we have to perform shifting operation, that is x of t plus 2. I'll draw x of t plus 2 here. That is x of t plus 2 is obtained by shifting x of t towards left by 2 unit. That is 0, this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. So this signal will appear like this. This is x of t plus 2. Now we'll perform x of 3t plus 2. So x of 3t plus 2 is obtained by compressing x of t plus 2 by scaling factor 3. So x of 3t plus 2 signal, which is 0, minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, and this is minus 1. Now by adding this and this, we will get minus 1 by 3 and this be minus 1. This is x of 3t plus 2 signal followed by x of 3t. This is 0. This is minus 1 by 3 to 1 by 3. So this is the sum of x of 3t plus x of 3t plus 2.